Hey baby, good afternoon here in Doha. I'm back already early this morning. Too sleepy. I'm sorry I didn't leave you a message, but I'm hugging you the whole evening. While you were sleeping. Anyway, maybe let me see. It's like 2:35 in the afternoon here now. I'm sure you're still sleeping, and I'm still hugging you. I just finished my body pump for today, and I will go to mommy babies later. Yeah. So I'll talk to you later. I love you. Shh. You're still sleeping. I know. I'm hugging you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you, baby. Mwah. The flight went well, from Melbourne. Yeah. Was light load and everything went well. I love you, baby. Shh. I love you very much. Bye bye.